Hey guys, Shani here. I've got a quick little unboxing video, or kind of haul unboxing, both. Um, I've been kind of MIA the last few days. It's been kind of crazy with work and home and everything. It's just been kind of nuts. I'm sure it is with everybody. So I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things. So I have all these cool new things to show you real quick. First of all, from Humble and Create, I got this a while ago, but I just haven't gotten to share it yet. I got these cute little girl buttons. And this was during a sale like a few weeks back. She did a big sale. These New Year's themed buttons. Just some pretty colors. And then some big chunky words. There you go. So they're just fun. So I thought those would be fun to incorporate into some pages. So there's those. I'll set those aside. The next thing I got, the shop is Pumpkin Paper Company, and she does planner stickers, and she sent me the cutest planner stickers. I mean, I ordered them, I paid for them obviously, but they're just so cute. And I don't really use stickers in my planner at all. I am a scrapper, so these will be for scrapbooking. And I got these because India loves to dress up, and so I thought those would be super fun. She's also super interested in her bones and her skeleton, so I thought those could be fun even not for Halloween. And then I got these just to add because they're kind of everyday. We can use them on all different layouts. So there's those. And then in the package, she sent this, which is a postcard. But it's just a cute little Cinderella's castle, so that'll be fun to incorporate into page 2. So there is that. Then I placed another order with Whimsy Fox Iris, and she sent me all sorts of fun goodies. So in the last package I got, I ordered these little gold, I think she calls them sprinkles. They're little vellum confetti bits. There's like little starburst stars, hearts, and then like normal stars in there. So I ordered another package of those because I've been using the other ones like crazy. And then these are marbled, I think, vellum. So I got gold and then the marbled. Then I ordered some pink little felt hearts. I've got some felt hearts left, but I didn't have pink. I thought those would be a color I would use a lot. And then the marbled numbers. I don't know that I ordered those. I think she might have just thrown those in, which is super nice. Yep, she just threw those in. That's amazing. So they're the marbled numbers. They coordinate with the marbled vellum pieces. So those will be fun to use as well. And then last time she threw in a couple little tabbies for me. In my package, just a couple, just to see if I like them or whatever. So I had to order a bunch more because I've been using them on every single layout. So I ordered blue, yellow, gold, pink, and green. There's other colors she has, but these are the colors I thought I would use the most. So, and they just have little stitching across them, but I've literally been using them on every single layout. I was really sad when I used the last one. So I had to order some more. There's all those. So now I can put those on every single layout too. So there's all that. And then I think this is my last one. Yes, this is my last one. But this one's kind of big. And I honestly forgot what all I got. So it's going to be an adventure. I placed a big scrapbook.com order. So my first thing is I got this. I've been waiting for Magical Forest from Crate Paper and Sweet Story from Maggie Holmes with Crate Paper for all the goodies to come out, and only some of them have come to scrapbook.com. Not all of them yet. Sorry about that. So I just went ahead and got what I could get because I didn't want it to not be there and me not be able to get it. So I just went ahead and got what I could get, and then I'll go back and place another order later. So I got the chipboard from Magical Forest. And then I got this big stack of paper. So we're going to open that. Hold on. If I can get into it. Sorry, it's going to be loud for a second. Okay. So first I got this vellum sheet from Sweet Story. Sweet Story, they just had a bunch of paper. They like the individual paper, not even the pads. So I didn't get a whole lot from Sweet Story. I just got paper. But I did get a lot of paper, but I didn't get a lot of anything else. So there is the Magical Forest specialty vellum as well, and it's really super pretty. Then I got it was a clearance paper. Maybe I have these upside down. This was a clearance paper from Simple Stories. Actually, it might not have been. I lied. I did get some clearance paper, but I don't think this was clearance. We celebrate St. Patrick's Day in my family. We're Irish, so we do dinner and celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So I thought this one could be fun. And then there's clovers on the back. And then these are all from Sweet Story. And some of them I got doubles because I liked both sides. So, oh, well, you already saw that one. And then these little tigers are so cute. And they've got little flowers on them. Sorry, it's not really focusing very well. And then there's black and white hearts on the back. So I got 2 sheets of that. I love this. And the back is this pink. It's hard to see. Like a diamond little checkerboard pattern. And then the cut up heart sheet is super cute. And then that fun color on the back. I love that. So I got 2 of that one as well. And then this one is the rainbow, which is gorgeous. And then there's these fun stars on the back that look like washi tape. So those will be fun. I think I'll probably, I want to use it as a whole piece, but I also want to fussy cut it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. But super, super cute. We're going to flip it back around. And then I got, some of these are from Art Walk and some are from Storyline Chapters from Heidi Swap. Her new collections are really fun. I love this one. It's so pretty. It coordinates with the one of the covers of her Storyline Chapters albums, like the inserts. And then this is Storyline Chapters. It's got a really pretty yellow on the other side. And I got 2 of that one. And then this one is back to Sweet Story. And I love these guys. Again, I kind of want to fussy cut the strips. And there's a blue on the back. So I'm not really sure. Okay, I'm just going to turn it sideways because they're going back and forth. So this one is from Storyline Chapters. And it's got a fun, like, mixed media background on the back. And of these pretty rainbows. And then Storyline Chapters, the cut up hearts. And I just really liked these guys and these tags. And then the back is like a green taupey kind of color. And then Sweet Story. Crepe paper, almost every collection they have a giant polka dot like this, like similar to this. That is like some contrasting colors. And it is my favorite paper ever. So, I mean, it's always my favorite in every collection. So I got 2 of those. This one is these cool frames. They're like almost like the washi tape as well. And then the back is that fun mixed media looking background. So I got 2 of those. This way. And then Magical Forest. I have to go back and put these together later where they belong. And then that's the back, is that really pretty golden, like kind of honey color. This is Art Walk from Heidi Swap. And these are really fun papers. They're all like super mixed media-y. That one's pretty too. There's that one. Kind of a neutral on the back. And then now we're into Magical Forest. And this is the cut up art sheet. It's really, really cute. And then these little tiny stars on the back are super cute as well. And then the numbers and these fun polka dots on the back. And the mushrooms, I didn't know the mushrooms were on any of these pages because I got it for this side, which is also really cute. And then I've got a couple of My Mind's Eyes from this specific collection, One of a Kind. Because look at those little girls. Aren't they the cutest? I don't even know what I'm going to scrap them with, but scrap with them, whichever. But they're super, super cute. There's more here. Yeah, there's a couple more from One of a Kind. This has got little daisies. That's the B-side. And then these fun girls. Are they not the best? Like, I don't even know what to do with them, but I love them, so I had to get them. And then this one, I got it for this side, which is these cute little tiny rainbows. But I really like this side too. It's really cute. So, I don't know. And then this is more little tiny daisies. And then I got it for that side. Isn't that fun? So I thought that was super pretty. Okay, so that's the end of that collection. I didn't get a lot of that. And then this is another Heidi swap from Art Walk. I thought this was just really pretty. And you can kind of see there's some like text looking at the bottom. It's kind of fun. And then the last one is another cut apart from Sweet Story. And it's double-sided. So I got two because, you know, you might need both sides. So I got a ton of paper. I'm really excited about that. And with the chipboard and everything. Then I have two big fun bags like this. Again, sorry, it's super, super loud. I'm going to pull it all out at once so it will be quiet again. You got the Simple Stories Hip Hip Hooray pad. Oh, can't open it. Oh, trying not to cut my finger off. So it's just a really fun springy Eastery kind of paper pad. And I haven't scrapped almost any, if any, of India's Easter pictures over the years. So I thought this one would be really cute to do that with. And then I also the other day had gotten, I think I already showed you this. Well, now I can't find it. But another 6x8 paper pad that was also super springy. So it'll go well with that, I think. And then I got the Storyline Chapters 6x8 paper pad. Maybe. If I don't cut myself first. There we go. And then this one's just super fun. Nice and like pretty, but neutral enough that it can go with a lot of stuff. So I thought it was really great. I really love all the stuff Heidi Swap has been putting out lately. So I really want to get the system that goes with this, the album. I just didn't yet. So, but hopefully that will be soon. Then I got the Pink Fresh. These are some floral die cuts. And somewhere I thought I got chipboard to go with that. Maybe I didn't. We'll see. So sorry. We are still all like getting over the flu that India had a couple weeks ago. So this is the ephemera pack that goes with the Storyline set. Oh, and then I got these guys. These enamel dots. Aren't they so pretty? To go with that set. And then I got a ton of stencils because I really don't have very many and I keep using the same ones over and over again. I just wanted some new stuff. And they were like super huge discounted at scrapbook.com last week when I ordered. So I got this super fun one. And this really cool Starburst. And then that flourishy one. There was only like one or two left when I ordered this. So I was super excited I actually got it. Oh, there's the chipboard circles. They're just super cute little guys. So I was excited to get those to go with these guys. They're from the same collection. I got these fun like spotty one. And then these big chunky circles, polka dots. And then these are Heidi Swap too. I don't know if they're with the storyline or something else. But they're just cute little tiny words. Little tiny phrases. And I think there's just one sheet in there, but I'm not for sure. Oh, and then that's another stencil I got. These cute little hearts. So there's that. These are also with the Heidi Swap storyline stamps, and they were super cheap, but I loved that rainbow, and all these little bits are super usable. Stuff that I would use on a lot of pages, so I got those. And then Magical Forest, the die cuts. I didn't realize they had all of these when I ordered it. I forgot that I had ordered these, so I'm excited about those. And then the sticker book, which I didn't even realize I had seen the sticker book, so I was excited that it was in this package. And these are like clear stickers. I think those are clear too, but they're like glittery. Actually, they might all be clear. These little banners and florals, and then these little guys on the front. Those are cute. I got these little wood veneer pieces. We did some, this way I guess, some spacey stuff when we were in Colorado, and we've got season membership to the Science Museum, so I thought that could be fun to incorporate to stuff like that. Some really pretty sequins. They're like a pale pink and like a cream and a white and clear iridescent. And little stars. If I can get the lid back on. Okay, I'm just going to set them over here. I'll deal with that later. And then these are the Art Walk chipboard letters from Vicki Bouton's collection. And then these are Hello Thickers from, I don't know what collection, but they're just cute little phrase stickers in gold. So, there's that. And then I have one more bag, and then I will be done. And this one doesn't have nearly as much stuff. There's that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm moving the whole camera. I got this really cool thing. I thought it was going to be teeny tiny, but she's super cool. From Julie Nutting from Prima. Little laser cut mermaid. I thought she'd be super fun for some layout with for a layout for India. So she'll be fun to incorporate. And then I got a bunch of Nuvo drops. So I only had black and white, and I didn't think I'd really use them, but then I've been using the black and white ones a lot lately, so I went ahead and got a bunch of colors that they had at scrapbook.com, and I'm excited to try them all out and see what they all look like. Some of them, like that one, these three I think are like kind of shimmery. That one's not, I think. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll try them out. We'll figure out what they are. So thank you guys so much for watching this big, ridiculous, giant haul. I'm so excited to jump in and get involved in all this. I'm going to go check out Victoria Marie's Facebook page right now. She is doing a online virtual crop all weekend, I think through Sunday, just to kind of get everyone's mind off the whole Corona thing and just have some fun and get some creativity going and help us not to lose all our minds. So that'll be fun to go watch if you want to get involved in that. I know she's got a lot of prizes and stuff like that over there, so go check that out. And then I will be back tomorrow, or I should be back tomorrow, with another process video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.